Hello and welcome. I'm Pia and you're watching News X. Now, the battle for the 543 seats is heating up. A fresh war of words has cropped up between the Bharatiya Janata Party and the Congress Party. Rahul Gandhi, of course, hitting out at the BJP, stating that they want to snatch away the reservation of Dalits, backward classes and tribals. This, of course, comes in response to Prime Minister Modi's earlier statements stating that Congress wants to give a slice of the reservations for backward classes to their vote bank. Now, responding to Rahul Gandhi's big charges, UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has hit back at the Congress, and he has stated that there cannot be a bigger lie than what the Congress is peddling. He has further said that the history of the Congress party has been one of strangulating the constitution made by Baba Saheb Ambedkar. These, of course, these remarks echo what Prime Minister Modi has repeatedly said. Before I go across to my colleague joining us, let's listen in to what Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister has to say.
देखिए, कांग्रेस का नेतृत्व पूरी तरह फेल हो चुका है। आप देख रहे होंगे कि उनके लोग जब अपने स्वयं के नेतृत्व पर विश्वास न होने के कारण लगातार कांग्रेस के प्रत्याशी भी फील्ड छोड़ करके भाग रहे हैं। कहीं उनके प्रदेश अध्यक्ष इस्तीफा दे रहे हैं, कहीं पे उनके घोषित प्रत्याशी स्वयं अपनी प्रत्याशिता वापस लेकर के भारतीय जनता पार्टी के सदस्यता ग्रहण कर रहे हैं, और कहीं पर वे अपनी जानबूझ करके अपने नामांकन प्रपत्रों को अधूरा भरने का काम कर रहे हैं। ये नेतृत्व के प्रति इससे बड़ा विश्वास दूसरा नहीं हो सकता है। तो अपनी इस खींच को मिटाने के लिए वह इस ओर जनता का ध्यान न जाए, इसके लिए वह उल जलूल और मनगढ़ंत आरोप लगा करके देश के ध्यान को बांटने का प्रयास कर रहा है। लेकिन ये देश जानता है, इस देश की जनता जनार्दन जानती है, कांग्रेस, समाजवादी पार्टी और इंडी गठबंधन के नेताओं की वास्तविकता को जानती है, और उनके मंसूबों को कभी भी देश की जनता जनार्दन पूरा नहीं होने देगी।
My colleague Abhishek Singh joins us on the broadcast via the phone line. Abhishek, over to you. The war of words between the BJP and the Congress continues to escalate. Now, key leaders are trading barbs.
Yeah, on Congress leader Rahul Gandhi's tweet that BJP wants to snatch away the reservation of Dalits, backward classes and tribals, Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister slammed back on Congress by saying that there cannot be a bigger lie than this. Everyone is very well aware of the history of Congress and India Alliance parties. The history of Congress has been of strangulating the constitution made by Baba Saheb Ambedkar. He also clearly stated that the constitution of the country came into the force in 1950, and the Congress has continuously trampled on the freedom of expression. It has continuously made efforts to change the constitution in its own way. The people of the country have not forgotten the emergency. This is the words of Chief Minister of UP, Yogi Adityanath, when he was flying back on Rahul Gandhi's tweet. Yeah.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.